Good evening, and welcome to another poem read by me, Gravy. I am sorry if this is a little later than usual. Avery was in my brooding spot right here, looking out the window, reminiscing about Sonic. But the boss finally got him out of my space. Thank you, boss. You're welcome, Gravy. So today, if you can see behind me, there is snow on the ground. So I would like to read another snow poem. Today's poem is called The Snowflake by Walter de la Marie. The snowflake. Before I melt, come look at me. This lovely, icy filigree of a great forest. In one night, I make a wilderness of white. By skyey cold, of crystals made, all softly on your finger laid. I pause, that you, my beauty, see, breathe, and I vanish instantly. Snowflakes are a wonderful thing, and this poem reflects what snowflakes are like very well. My favorite part about snowflakes is how softly they touch my fur. So soft, like a chinchilla. That almost sounded like a poem there. Maybe I should make my own snowflake poem sometime and read it to you. If you would like that, of course. That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned for another poem. If you would like to see me read a snowflake poem that I write, go put a pause up and press the like button, and I will write a poem about snowflakes. The snow looks so peaceful outside. I actually want to go out and enjoy it. Bambi, are you going out to enjoy the snow? Oh yeah, I was on my way. Do you want to come, Gravy? I would love to come. Good night, everybody. Wait for me, Bambi.